It sits quietly in millions of homes, unnoticed by many. Just a simple green vine, or so it seems. But what if I told you that this ordinary plant might be silently cleaning your air, calming your mind, and even improving your sleep? This is the secret life of the pothos plant. Most of us grow pothos because it's almost impossible to kill. It thrives in shade, survives neglect, and still grows beautifully. But behind its easy care charm lies something far more powerful. Science-backed health benefits that most people never notice. Researchers at NASA once tested dozens of indoor plants for their ability to clean air. Among them, pothos, or Epipremnum aureum, stood out. It was found to absorb formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene, chemicals quietly released from furniture, paint, and cleaning products. In simple terms, while you breathe, your pothos works, acting as a tiny natural air filter right in your home. But the real magic isn't just in the air, it's in the atmosphere it creates. Studies show that seeing greenery, even for a few minutes, lowers stress hormones and slows the heart rate. Pothos, with its flowing vines and heart-shaped leaves, brings a subtle sense of calm, the same reason hospital rooms and workspaces often add plants to ease anxiety. At night, pothos keeps releasing oxygen while absorbing some carbon dioxide. If placed near your bedside, it quietly helps regulate the air, making your space fresher and more relaxing. It's not a magic cure, but small comforts like this add up, especially if you spend long hours indoors. There's something else science can't quite measure: the feeling of growth. Watching new leaves unfurl reminds us that life keeps moving, even in small spaces. And that sense of nurturing, of keeping something alive, can quietly fight loneliness and fatigue. For many, pothos isn't just decoration. It's a daily reminder that care creates life. So the next time you walk past your pothos, remember, it's not just surviving in your home. It's helping you breathe cleaner air, feel calmer, and maybe live a little better. Does your pothos make a difference in your space? Share your story in the comments below. And if you love discovering the hidden magic in the everyday, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more insights like this. Sometimes, the smallest plants make the biggest difference.